Hi guys, my buddy, say hello. I suggest very easy and funny way to solve this cube without formulas, available even for small children. I'll teach you later. Now let's fly. It's a bird number 1, it's a bird number 2. And this place is the nest. It's a bug in the nest. At first our birds fly from the nest. Number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. And returns number 1, number 2. That's all, and so on. These 3 pieces are always here. These 2 pieces are swapped. Oh, this bug ran away? Don't worry. Our birds will fly until this white sticker, and this bug will be in the nest. It's better to take the cube in this way. Let's fly. You already know how. Number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. Again. Once more. And so on. Early bird gets the worm or the bug. Okay, now an example. At first let's collect white layer. Take any white sticker. Closer to it is the nest. Always here. Next white sticker, like this one. White with green. Put under the nest. Or in the nest. Our birds is here. Let's fly. Again. Ready? We have couple in love. Next white sticker, like this one. White with orange. Put under the nest, closer to it, or in the nest. Our birds, let's fly. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Last white sticker, put under the nest. Our birds, let's fly. Ready? Now let's collect yellow layer. Turn any rotated yellow sticker to the nest. Our birds is here. Let's fly until ready. Don't rotate the cube. Turn next rotated yellow sticker to the nest. Our birds, let's fly. Ready. And final step. We have couple in love with blue. Blue with blue. And let's swap them. Our birds is here. Let's fly. But another way. At first our birds fly to the nest. Number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. Then from the nest, number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. Again, number 1 flies from the nest, turns twice and returns. Turns around clockwise. Remember the sticker? And again, number 1, same. Flies from the nest, turns twice and returns. Ready! If you did it, be proud of yourself and spin for you. 1, 2, 3. And ready for you. Don't wait for a miracle. Make a miracle. More look in description. Sorry for my English. I tried very hard with Google Translator. Thank you very much for likes. Good luck everyone. Keep smiling.